If you are trying to download OriginPro 2026 and you don't want to risk fake links or cracked versions, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the official and correct way to download OriginPro 2026 for free, step by step. No shady website, no broken installers, just the proper version directly from the source. By the end of this video, you'll have OriginPro ready to use safely and legally. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to search OriginPro on Google and it brings the first website here. Then you need to click on student version and it takes you to the official website of Origin Lab. Here we have two options. One is the student version, it's one time $69 and the license term is 1 year and the window limit is 30. Here there's a star, explains what does the window limit mean. It means the number of windows or open projects that you can have at a time, and it's eligible for the latest version within the license term. And here we have a good option of Learning Edition. It is free, but the license term is 6 months and the window limit is 12, and it's eligible for the latest version, but you need to have a valid university email for this registration. So let's do it. Click on Request Learning Edition, and here you need to fill out this form. Basically write your name, college, department, university email address, and confirm your email address, a password, confirm password, and here for the reason, just simply you can write, I want to plot better graphs, and you need to click on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then you need to click on submit button. After that they send you an email and you can download Origin from here, so click on download Origin. You can create a new folder. I want to create a new folder and rename it as OriginPro, and I save it here and I wait for the download to be completed. While I'm downloading the Origin, let's take a look at the email. Here is the email. It says you can download it from this link, and in the installer, after you run it, you need to select I have the license key, and you need to select this license key here. And after you run that, you need to activate the license key using this one, and if you install it with this license key, it's totally fine. It automatically identifies the next one. Okay, now it is downloaded. Let's take a look. Okay, we right click on this one. If you have WinRAR, you can simply say extract here, but if you don't have WinRAR, and you can use the Windows and say extract all and click on extract, and it's going to extract it here. Now we open this and we run this setup as administrator, then click on yes. We wait for it to be completed. It takes a while. Click on next, accept the terms, next, and here is very important. You need to select install product requires a serial number. We have the serial number. You don't need to click on install Origin trial or Origin Pro trial, so it's going to mess with the installation. Click on next. Actually, it doesn't matter if you want to use the same username or not. You can use like a John Doe name. Then you need to paste your serial key. I paste a new one and click on next, and it says you have provided the registration information, so you need to use your correct name and company name and serial number, and if it is correct, click on yes, and it tells you that you cannot install this on university owned college computer, so you only can have this on your personal computer. So click on yes, then you select the directory. As always, I accept the default, and next you can check this one, but I don't need it actually, and click on next, and default GUI, next again, all users, next, and wait for it to be completed. In the meanwhile, I want to ask you a favor. If you enjoyed this video so far, please leave a comment for me down below. It's totally free for you, but it helps me a lot to grow and make more videos like this. Thank you very much. Okay, it is completed, and uncheck the readme text and finish. It takes us to the folder, so we need to open it from here. Double click on Origin 2026 to be opened. After you open the Origin, you will have the license activation. You need to copy and paste the second code. As you see, it says your license has been updated successfully. Now let's see if it works. So let's have some points here, 1 1 2 2, and let's plot this. And yeah, as you see, it works. That's it. Now that you have downloaded OriginPro, it's time to learn graph digitization. Click on the video on the screen before it ends, and I see you there.